We at Eagle Lights just came out with our brand new Apex Spot Universal Auxiliary Lights. These bad boys will fit any crash bar or bar that's 1¼ inch in diameter. And today, we're installing them on this. Let's get to it. Each kit is going to include 2 Apex spotlights. These lights produce 2300 effective lumen each. You're going to get all the necessary hardware and bracketry for you to mount the lights to the motorcycle or application you're intending to do so. It also includes a mount for the switch and your harness that runs directly to the battery to power the lights. So the first thing you're going to want to do is plan out your install. When we were designing these lights, we wanted to make them as universal as possible, so they have multiple mounting points. They can be mounted at the top, the bottom, even on the side. Here we're going to be installing them on this crash bar, just like so. Now let's assemble the brackets. To start, remove the outer screws on the shroud on the light. Take our bracket and half of the bracket that mounts to the crash bar, and we're going to install these 2 parts together. Take our bolt, insert it through the bottom, the top portion of the bracket. Tighten down our nut here. Next, you're going to align your bracket with the Apex light. The screws we removed earlier from the shroud, and attach the bracket to the light. All right, now that we have the bracket installed, let's bring it over to the bike and mock it up. Once you have everything mocked out and put in position, you're going to want to take your front bracket, rear bracket, tighten down the 2 bolts, and you're going to want to tighten down this nut here. Now let's talk about the harness a little bit. It looks complicated, but it's really not. The harness comes with a switch, so you turn the lights on and off. You're going to have 2 ports to plug the Apex lights into. Rear portion of the harness runs directly to your battery, positive and negative terminals. And this wire you connect to a constant. Typically on Harley models, it's a blue wire. Now, just like we did for the lights, we need to plot out where we're mounting the switch and how we're running the wiring harness. We're going to be mounting the switch right here. The harness is going to come down underneath the fuel tank to the battery. Mounting the switch was easy. All you need to do is remove this bolt, put the bracket and switch in place, and put the bolt back on. Now that we got our switch mounted, we're going to want to run the main wiring harness. These 2 ports right here plug into our Apex lights. So what we're going to do is run them towards the front of the bike, underneath the tank, and split out right here. We just ran the harness underneath the fuel tank to our lights, plugged in our lights on both sides. Now we just want to clean up the wires a little bit. Now that we have the wiring harness ran and all buttoned up, we're going to connect it to the battery and connect our constant to the blue wire. We're going to put the positive terminal here, negative terminal here. Last thing to do is to check and make sure everything's working. The left side of your switch will turn the lights on. You can either have an amber running light or a white running light. Your right side of the switch will activate our strobing patterns. Additionally, if you hold down the right switch, you get a blue running light. We at Eagle Lights are extremely excited about these new spotlights and have been working tirelessly to provide an optimal LED spotlight for our customers. These lights here are going to produce 2300 effective lumens and light the road ahead in front of you. They're a great safety upgrade. Get yours today.